What if finding the right supplier didn't take days, but minutes, and you actually felt confident about your decision? Because let's be honest, sourcing globally isn't hard because of searching, it's hard because of choosing. And that's exactly what SourcingAI 2.0 is trying to fix. The real problem with sourcing. If you've ever tried sourcing products from overseas, you already know how messy it gets. You start with a simple idea. Maybe you want to launch a product, scale your business, or just find a better supplier. And then suddenly, you've got 30 tabs open, 10 suppliers messaging you, prices all over the place, and no clear idea who you can actually trust. Sound familiar? Here's the thing. Finding suppliers isn't the hard part anymore. The real challenge is filtering, comparing, and making the right decision without wasting weeks. And this is exactly where SourcingAI 2.0 shifts the game. Because it's not just another search tool. It's positioned as a global sourcing AI assistant that takes you from search all the way to solution. Now here's where it gets interesting. Instead of typing keywords like you would on a marketplace, you just talk to it, literally like chatting with a sourcing expert. Let's say you have a product idea, maybe a custom desk organizer. You type something like, I need a premium wooden desk organizer, eco-friendly, low MOQ custom logo. And instead of giving you random listings, the AI actually understands what you mean. It can even go further. You upload an image, a sketch, or even a product sample, and it instantly starts narrowing down suppliers that match your exact need. And this is the part most people miss. You can generate an RFQ, a request for quotation, right inside the chat. No copying emails, no switching tabs, no repeating yourself 10 times. It's basically like having a sourcing assistant who already knows what you want and speaks the supplier's language perfectly. Now stay with me here, because this is where SourcingAI 2.0 really separates itself. Most platforms help you find options. This one helps you choose the right one. Instead of just showing suppliers, it actually starts asking you smart questions. Things like, what's your target price range? What's more important, cost or quality? What's your expected order volume? And based on that, it builds a structured sourcing plan for you. So instead of guessing, you're making decisions backed by AI analysis. And honestly, that's a huge deal. Because bad supplier decisions don't just waste time. They cost money, delay launches, and sometimes kill your entire business. This tool is designed to prevent that. Now behind all of this, there's actually a system working in the background. Think of it as the brain. First, there's the communication engine. It helps turn your rough ideas into clear, professional sourcing requests. Then the product and supplier search engine, built specifically for B2B data, not generic search results. Then comes the clarification engine. This one's powerful. It takes vague ideas and turns them into precise requirements. Next is the Supplier Evaluation engine. It compares suppliers based on real capabilities, reliability, and performance. And finally, the Risk Alert engine. And honestly, this might be one of the most important parts, because in global trade, risk is everything. This engine flags potential issues before you commit, which can save you from some very expensive mistakes. So instead of doing all this manually, you've got AI structuring the entire process for you. Now imagine this for a second. What used to take you days or even weeks, comparing suppliers, sending messages, organizing data, you can now do in a fraction of the time. We're talking potentially cutting your sourcing effort by 50 to 70%. And it's not just about speed. It's about making better decisions with less risk. Whether you're a small business owner, an entrepreneur launching a product, or a procurement professional managing suppliers, this kind of tool gives you a serious edge. SourcingAI 2.0 basically turns one of the most complicated parts of business into something structured, fast, and actually manageable. It's free for a limited time, so if you're even thinking about sourcing globally, this is the moment to try it.